Okay guys, we're back on the video. So this is an unboxing. Um, um, it's unboxing the Junior Mercury Victory FEIC size 3, black and white and dark charcoal. So this is the box. So let's open them up. Unbox it. Let's take out the box and let's get the we need. Okay guys, so these are the indoors that today. Really soft. Removable insoles. First here. So those are the insoles right there. So this is a good boot to kick with. Got these like little dimples all over the shoe. Can't see because the black is all over it. I think you can see the weight. They're like golf balls, dimpling all over the shoe. Even the tip of the tongue. Really flexible. Let's see that. Pretty good boot. To 4 or 5 months, they will get like a hole or like a rip or something, or they could be dirty. So look, this is the sole plate. Really good to play with. Might get Adidas indoors, and I might get a double bags, guys. So really good to shoot with, like I said, black laces and everything. Got this Nike sign here. Got this Mercurial here. So yeah, guys, those are it. Those are the boots. Subscribe, comment. So yeah. Next is gonna be I think guys might do a boot collection. So yeah, bye guys.